cook something that you all love, that you enjoy in cinemas, popcorn. Let me show you the stuff that you all need. Here is butter. You need 1 huge spoon that literally almost finished our butter. By the way, and here's some delicious popcorn that I love to use inside. And then to add the end. And here's the salt that you put in. And you need a big plate. You need like this plate, but you don't got to put a lot. And then for sugar, when it's done, you got to add some sugar. Here's the whole thing of sugar. Sugar and salt both look similar, but salt looks like flour and sugar looks like this. It's all shiny, right? I'm going to show you what you got to do with the sugar at the last one. Let's flour. First up, I need some. I forgot to turn on for it. Wait a minute. Okay, turn it on. Look, popcorn. Okay, mixture. It's so hard to take off this stupid popcorn. Let's keep doing it. It's a bit hard. It's a bit really hard to do this. I know. It's so hard when you gotta put it into the cup. And now guys, we need to stir it. Remember, 2 full butter that overserved. Let's just wait until it melts. Melt, you gotta melt. I have a video too. Quickly, you words are waiting for you to melt. Quick, butter melt. I am so tired. Oh, waiting, the viewers are waiting. Now it's done. Now time to add some. Now time to add the full popcorn inside. Let's pour it in. Okay, that's good. Now we need to stir it. Stir up, because when one is going to pop, now we need to add some salt. Mamma mia. And now we need to add this too. If you want to make it very salty, you can add some more. Now that's all. And now you need to stir it. When one is going to pop, now let's stir it. Now when one is going to pop, we quickly need to add the lid. Okay. Be careful, it's going to pop on your face. That happened to me once when I cooked popcorn. Oh, one is about to pop. Easy now. Put them all in. Then you gotta stir it up. When you see one pop, tell me. Oh, my hand is tired. Wait, it's so tiring to mix it. You can try this at home. And it's so tasty. Without wasting your money on popcorn outside, it's not good for you making it outside and you can buy. Oh, time to add the lid on. Okay. I think we should still stir it because it's safe. Oh! Wait. I don't want that to happen again. Sorry. Time to wait. Look at the popcorn. Look at the popcorn, guys. It's popping. Look how it's popping so fast. And look at the butter popping. It's like playing skip to jump. It's like jumping and hopping like a bunch of frogs that are just scared. It's like a bunch of frogs in an anaconda and they're jumping for their lives inside the pot. They thought they're going to be cooked. I'm just going to say cooked, but I said pot and say. Wait guys, let me just go and grab a tissue. So kids, it's been a couple minutes now. Look at the tasty popcorn. Come. It's so tasty. It's almost finished, so we can add the finishing touch, the sugar and the caramel. So let's keep it. Now I think we need to put this off. Now we need to turn it off. Great. It's steaming, right? Now let's grab a plate. Take the lid off. Be careful, kids. It's hot. Ooh. Now we need to add some caramel. Oh, I forgot. And now we need to grab a plate. Oh, I forgot, guys. And sugar. Yeah, I forgot what we should do, but we have some sugar. You need to add all the sugars and make it nice and clean. If you want to make it plain, you can make it plain. Whee! Then we need a bowl. Now we need to stir it. It's so hard to dig in. So, hello guys, it's been a couple of minutes and look at the popcorn, it looks so tasty. It looks white and, oh, I found one. And inside it's gold. Look at the gold powder. And look at it, it looks so tasty and white. And inside it's brown. And then to add some caramel, only some. Let's do it. I'm going to do like a zigzag pattern or a heart. Let's do it. Actually,